technology and the way we use them have skyrocketed, especially in the beef industry. I had the privilege of speaking with a longtime friend and very successful businessman in the cattle industry, Jack Sparrowk, on how technology has immensely changed the way the beef industry runs.
Well, there's been a lot of changes in the cattle business since I've been involved in it, which is 45 years. The cattle business has gotten a lot more sophisticated, and the communication and the information highway is nothing like it was when I first started. When I first started in the cattle business, you got your information from a weekly market report, and we had no such things as the internet or cell phones. And when I was in the business of buying and selling cattle, I knew where every payphone in the West was. And now we've got cell phones.
Technology has also affected the economic and genetics side of things.
The cattle futures have made a tremendous impact on the cattle business, the way we use them for our risk management. And not only that, the genetics have improved tremendously through the use of AI and these different breed programs that are now in place.
The sunlight surely hurts my